Experiencing issues with your TalkTalk TV box? Let's quickly diagnose and fix the most common problems that affect thousands of users daily. There are three main categories of TalkTalk box issues: HDMI connection failures, signal reception problems, and input recognition failures. Let's tackle each one systematically. HDMI connection failures are the most common issue, affecting 65% of all TalkTalk box problems. The primary cause is an HDMI handshake failure, a communication breakdown between your box and TV. The power cycle method resolves 60% of HDMI issues. First, unplug both your TV and TalkTalk box for 30 seconds. Then reconnect the TalkTalk box first, followed by powering on your TV. This sequence is crucial for proper handshake establishment. Cable issues cause 40% of HDMI problems. Always use high-speed certified HDMI cables. Check for physical damage, try different HDMI ports on your TV, and ensure cables are fully inserted into both devices. Signal reception problems affect 23% of issues. Check your aerial connection integrity, ensure all cables are tightly connected, look for visible damage, and verify signal strength is between 45 and 65 decibels. Input recognition failures are often the simplest to fix. Press the source or input button on your TV remote, navigate to the correct HDMI port where your TalkTalk box is connected, select that port, and wait for the signal to establish. These immediate actions have a 70% success rate, resolving the majority of common TalkTalk box issues. Try these fixes first. They work for most problems and can save you time and frustration. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your TalkTalk box issues, it's time to move to advanced solutions. These methods require more technical knowledge, but can solve persistent problems. First, ensure your TalkTalk box has the latest firmware updates. Outdated firmware is responsible for many compatibility and performance issues. Navigate to your box's settings menu and look for system or software update options. Most TalkTalk boxes allow you to manually check for and install updates. HDMI CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, allows devices to control each other automatically. While convenient, it often causes conflicts between your TalkTalk box and TV. Here's an example of CEC settings on a device. You'll want to disable similar options on both your TV and TalkTalk box to prevent conflicts. For persistent signal problems, professional signal strength testing can identify the root cause. Signal strength is measured in dBV, and you need adequate levels for reliable reception. Professional signal meters can measure your aerial's performance. Good signal strength typically ranges from 45 to 65 dB/V. This gauge shows the type of readings you should expect. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your TalkTalk box. However, this will erase all your settings, recordings, and preferences. If these advanced steps don't resolve your issues, it's time to contact professional support. Some problems require expert diagnosis and specialized equipment. Contact TalkTalk support or a qualified technician if you suspect hardware failure, network infrastructure problems, or compatibility conflicts that require manufacturer coordination. Remember, professional technicians have specialized diagnostic tools and direct access to manufacturer support that can resolve complex issues beyond typical user troubleshooting.